Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I have another unboxing, and it's for my 16th birthday. We have two models here, and it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, so I'm happy to be doing this again and showing this to you all. So before I get on with it, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to my channel, and comment down what you think about this video. Share it to anyone else who might be interested in seeing this, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss another video from my channel. So with that being done, let's go ahead. So we have two models today. Both are in the 1/400 scale. One is an A340-300 belonging to the airline Comair, and another one is a Dragon Wings 1/400 scale Austrian Airlines A320-200. So I'm going to start with the A320-200 first. So for some reason, Dragon Wings didn't deliver it in a proper box. I'm not sure why. They just delivered it in the plastic container itself. But the aircraft seems to be undamaged, and first impressions, it seems to be a very good aircraft. I like the design of it. Let's open it and go further into it. We also have the stand here. So let's see. Okay, that's good. Remove the plastic, and just like that, you've got it out. It's a pretty good airline. Ooh, looks like the landing gears come off. No problem with that. I can glue it on, but otherwise, yeah, it looks pretty solid. I like the design of it. The mold is very good. This is the Star Alliance livery, I think, so you can see on the top here, just above the windows of the aircraft on the fuselage, you can see all the logos of the other airlines that are in this in the Star Alliance, and yeah, it's a really good design. I like it, and it's for my first European. I think it's my first European airline in my collection so far, and just now I just have to find the landing gear and fix it back in, but I think other than that it should be good. So leave it with that. I'll remove the stand later and keep it on. And now the second and last model is a Phoenix Models 1/400 Comair A330-300. Let's unbox it. Oh wow. In the box already, I can tell it's very good. It's a limited edition aircraft too. Let's open it. Wow, this is a big aircraft. First impressions, very good. This is the 2020s color. I've actually flown on Comair before, but I haven't flown the A340, unfortunately. I think I flew one of the MD-80 series. But it's good to see. It's good to have like another Afghan airline in my collection, and I'm glad it's an A340. It's a very like sleek airline, very long airline it's a quad jet, so it's very nice to look at. As you can see here from the livery, in the 2020s color, nice perfect orange and yellow and orange and blue on top of each other, and landing gear, everything intact. Phoenix models. So yeah, all in all, two very good models. I'm happy I got them. Let's clear out the boxes and everything. We can see here now, two good models, two perfect models. I'm very happy to get them, and they'll make a great addition. They'll make a great addition to my current collection. With that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and make sure to turn on notifications so that you don't miss another video. Comment down what you thought of these aircraft models below, and also make sure to share this to anyone who might be interested in seeing this. And again, thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in another video.